Set to go now. Santa Ana Port. And the race on, and also in a knee-jerking beginning, Panagbenga is on the outside, so poking, and moving up by the road, facing the music, Abantero, humble submission, the favorite racing 6 Ballet Plus is the early prelude. Back to the front runner, and also by half length, Panagbenga is running in second, so poking, racing in third by the for the favorite humble submission, Abantero facing the music, and Ballet Plus still the tail ender, and also by about 3 lengths now, Panagbenga, so parking humble submission facing the music, Abantero racing towards the final turn, and into exciting and long Santa Ana stretch run with endorser, humble submission on the outside facing the music. Now the course of the wind has changed with a favorite humble submission, and nearing the finish line, the horse of Counselor Maltebes, humble submission. Second close, and also facing the music, Abantero, so poking, Ballet Plus and Panagbenga.
Okay, top choice, 5 horse humble submission.